assessment, assessment, assessment.
Assessments.
Noun. 1.
The classification of someone or something with respect to its worth.
2.
An amount determined as payable.
3.
The market value set on assets.
4.
The act of judging or assessing a person or situation or event.
Listen and practice.
The assessment for repairs outraged the club's membership. The assessment for repairs outraged the club's membership. In January, the USGCRP released the draft of its third National Climate Assessment Report. In January, the USGCRP released the draft of its third National Climate Assessment Report. The President took some time to think about that and agreed with that assessment. The President took some time to think about that and agreed with that assessment.
Assessment.